The WOOM Off 5 is an affordable mountain bike for kids 7 to 11 years old. Let's take a closer look. The Off 5 is a 24-inch wheel kids mountain bike and a relatively new lineup of offerings from WOOM. If a 24-inch wheel bike isn't in your family's future, you can get an Off 4 with 20-inch wheels and an Off 6 with 26-inch wheels. The Off 5 only weighs 18.9 pounds, and you can see a comparison chart for sizes in the review on our site. With the introduction of the Off series, WOOM's designers have created honest-to-goodness, purpose-built youth mountain bikes with hydraulic brakes, Schwalbe Rocket Ron tires, and a carbon fork. Word on the single track is that WOOM will soon be offering a suspension fork on these bikes for 2020. The bike has a quick-release seat post collar and a 1x9 SRAM drivetrain, which is smooth shifting and reliable. The WOOM Off even has a bash guard protecting the front chainring. Next, step back into time and behold, a kickstand! This easy-to-remove accessory was just as surprising as the bike's carbon fork. We were lucky enough to have 2 kids ride the WOOM Off 5 for us, and each of them simply loved pedaling the bike. Skill level doesn't matter. Beginning mountain bikers through experts will enjoy this bike on cross-country terrain. The bike's weight is its greatest attribute. One of our riders was riding the bike in a familiar area where he was used to riding a heavier bike. He was able to climb a few hills for the first time on the WOOM Off instead of walking up them, and he let us know this over and over. The bike zipped through descending turns and quickly transitioned to climbing with a couple of hasty shifter clicks. A confident, skilled, and safe rider can maneuver the WOOM Off to the top of obstacles and over the rocks. The fact that it's a rigid frame didn't bother our suburbanite preteens. The width of the rims, quality of rubber, and tire pressure helped smooth out the bumps. WOOM has upped their game by designing the Off series of kids' mountain bikes. They are competent machines at an excellent price point. The hydraulic disc brakes, wheels, tires, and carbon fork make the lineup an immediate contender for families who will be getting their kids their first real mountain bike. And the 18.9-pound lightweight build is going to be a game changer for kids who have learned to ride on heavier bikes. Your kids are going to be able to ride longer and go farther on a bike that's been designed to be light on the scale but heavy on fun.